Hi, it's Zach and Katie here, and we're really excited to bring you today's deal on the Oster on-the-go blender kit. This is an all-inclusive kit that comes with everything you need, including 4 travel mugs and the blender itself.
Now this is going to be great to make milkshakes, smoothies, and protein shakes.
Now what's great about this is the convenience factor. You have everything you need right here. Each one of these mason jars is actually Ball branded mason jars. They're plastic and they're travel cups, and you get 2 storage lids, and then you get 2 sippy cup lids, which also come with plastic straws.
And it's just so easy to use. All you have to do is stick your ingredients into the mason jar, screw on the blade, flip it over, and press down. Once it's all blended, you'll be all good to go.
Yeah, you just take the blade off and then you can screw on either the travel lid or the storage lid, whichever one you prefer. And what's awesome about this is that, if you're in the morning and you're in a pinch for breakfast or even for lunch, this is a really quick way to get a nutritious and delicious meal. Now again, this is hassle-free and mess-free. Again, everything can go in the dishwasher, so cleanup is an absolute breeze. This thing is just so awesome. Now Katie and I are going to enjoy a couple of delicious fruit smoothies.
And we have such a great deal on these, you're going to want to grab yours. So head on over to our website and grab yours today.